Hi, welcome back. I'm Laura McMahon, the Executive Chef here at Bethlehem Area School District. Today we visit Morocco. We're going to build for you a Moroccan harissa chicken wrap. We're going to start with our harissa, which is a blend of roasted red peppers, onions, tomatoes, garlic, and olive oil. We roasted them in the oven. And then we added some toasted cumin and paprika with a little black pepper. We put everything in the food processor with a little lemon juice and a little chipotle peppers in adobo. Makes this wonderful little condiment that we're gonna put in our harissa chicken wrap. So let's build the wrap. We start with some tortillas. It helps if they're a little warm, makes them a little pliable. All right, so we'll start with our wrap. Let's do this. And this is some hummus. And hummus is just a blend of chickpeas, some tahini, garlic, lemon. It's high in protein. We'll spread that on our wrap. And then a nice dark green leafy lettuce. Some additional protein with our all white meat, low sodium chicken breast. Then we're gonna add our homemade harissa. There's a little spice to it. If you make this at home, you can adjust the spice and add a little more if you like it spicy. It's got a nice deep, rich color. Some fresh sliced tomatoes. And some cucumber. Gives it that crunch. Lots of texture here. And then for that little bit of salty, little crumbled feta on top. All right. And now we're gonna wrap. Just gonna do a little fold over. You wanna tuck and pull. Get all those ingredients in there. Do a nice little wrap. Give it a little squeeze. And there you go, there's your nice wrap. We'll cut it on an angle. And there you have it, our harissa chicken wrap. This is a cold entree that can be found in your cold grab and go area of your cafeteria. Enjoy.